Okay, thank you. I would like to present about competitors analysis. For any marketer, it is important to monitor competitor use of internet marketing for acquisition and retention of customers. It also need to understand the structure of competitive market and competitors' behavior, and also a strategy in conducting competitors analysis is benchmarking. Okay, competitors analysis. Competitors benchmarking. Number one is make comparison of digital marketing approach of an organization service within a market. And number two is review what are their strengths, their weaknesses, and their planning and market share. It's include of competitor analysis as a competitors benchmarking. Okay, this is a example of benchmarking. You can see the figure of competitors from, I think also before smartphone, we got a telephone. We can see a Nokia, Siemens, IBM. It's also from before smartphone. Okay, competitors analysis. It's begin from developed by Market Porter in 1980, and it's also involved five main competitive force, and also the marketers also need to review threats rising in the e-business era using competitive force model. Okay, I go to the next slide. The impact of internet and competitive force. Five competitive force. Number one is bargaining power of buyers. The increase in customer power and knowledge is the biggest threat posed by electronic trading. Example, customer evaluate product and share with others. And number two is bargaining power of suppliers. Company can reduce cost and increase supply chain. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Na'alifah binti Roslan, and I will present the impact of internet on competitive force. There are 5 competitive force. Firstly, threat of substitute product and service. The greatest threat occur where digital product or service fulfillment can occur over the internet, which is online channel replicating. For example, online subscription music service. Next one is barriers to entry. For the barriers to entry is for traditional companies, new online entrant has been a significant threat for retailer selling products such as book. For example, traditional books retailer is threatened by Amazon.com. Next one is intensity of rivalry. The internet has encouraged the commoditization of more products, making it harder to differentiate between product offer. Okay, further, let's move on to the next one, which is supplier. Supplier is deliver goods and service. A business need to carry out its activity. Supplier has significant impact on the value of the quality of the product or service delivered to the end users. The key issue is include the impact of supplier on product price, availability, and features. Okay, I will explain about the online marketing intermediaries. Marketing intermediaries is firm that help a company to promote, sell, and distribute its product or service. For example, franchise system is a part of marketing intermediaries to assure corporate McDonald's in US. For the online intermediary sites is connecting internet users with product information, for example, Google and Yahoo. For the new channel structure describes the way a manufacturer or selling organization delivers product or service to the customer. For example, wholesaler and retailer. A company selling product may have a longer distribution channel involving more intermediaries. Example of traditional structure. There are 3 types of traditional structure. First one is we move from producer, wholesaler, retailer and consumer. The second one is we move from producer to retailer and consumer, and lastly producer to consumer. The internet offer a means of bypassing some of channel partner refer to cutting out the middleman. By interacting directly with customer via internet, manufacturer would have opportunity to change their retail channel. Example of online channel structure, which is search engine, portal, book online and email or type. That's all for our group, which is explained about the chapter 2 online marketplace analysis and microenvironment. Thank you.